That didn't count.
Jimmy, what's up?
Nothing.
We are on Ricochet, and we're not moving.
Can't see in the dark.
I can see very well. We enter the darkness. Here we go.
This is like the little mouse ride.
This is not the little mouse. This is, look at this. Jimmy.
Oh.
Holy crap.
Big mouse ride.
Ah.
Here, Laura. Oh, there's a camera. It's going to take a picture of your
Here we go. I just want to drop this. It's really bad.
Yeah, here. I wanted to take a picture of your camera. Oh, hello.
Oh, gosh. Oh, God. Oh, dude, this one's kind of scary because of the turns. Those turns are crazy.
Oh, I'm going to spit on her.
Oh, God. It hurts my legs. Oh, goodness. Or we'll be on the outside. Oh, there we go. How many times have we said, oh?
I think on every turn it's,
There's Steven and
Alright, cut.
Cut.
Cut. Or they have to leave the park.